Hey everyone, it's Rochelle. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video and I promise you this will be a beginner friendly. Can you guys believe that this is a closure? This is not a frontal and we're doing a deep side part here. Okay, so this is a glueless wig. There is absolutely no glue involved. If you want to see how I achieve this, then please continue to watch. Now the hair that I'm rocking in today's video, it's from Nadula's hair and we're going to be doing a little unboxing. So I'm going to take it out of the package. This is what it comes in and the little silk bag. I'm just going to open that up just so you guys can see everything. Listen, I was not expecting this. This is a robe. I've never gotten a robe before from any hair packages that I've opened, but yes, I was here for this little robe. Now this is the box right here, so I'm going to go through everything. We got some nails. Honey, I could use some press-ons because my nails always break. Now we get 2 melting bands and 4 HD wig caps. I feel like HD wig caps are a must, especially if you're doing HD wigs. Any edge brush. And now I'm going to show you guys some brushes. I was kind of shocked by the brushes and the comb. I'm like, wow, you guys like literally sent me a whole bunch of accessories. I'm here for that. Now we're going to look at the wig. So this is a 24-inch 7x5 glueless wig and we have the elastic band, and this is what the wig looks like straight out the box. Pre-bleached, pre-plugged, don't have to do anything but put this on your head. So this is what it looks like. Listen, I was here for the hairline because it means that I don't have to do a lot to it, and it is a beginner friendly wig. Now I love the fact that there's a lot of parting room on this wig because usually when it comes to closures there's not a lot to work with, so I was here for this. So we got a little comb in the back and no combs on the side, thank God, because I do not like those. This is the kinky straight texture. I have my wig cap on and I'm just showing you guys the elastic band. I'm just going to put this around my head and you could adjust this to your sizing of your head. So I'm going to pop that onto the wig before I try the wig on. So now I just put the wig on and this is how it is looking straight out the box. The hairline looks amazing and it comes in the center part, and again this is the kinky straight hair, so it does have some texture to it. I'm going to go in with my hot comb just to flatten that down. So this is how it looks glueless. Like if you don't want to wear any glue with this, you could leave it just like this and go on about your business. I'm not going to be using any glue, but I do want my wig to look flawless, seamless, and melted down to perfection. So I'm going to cut that lace just a tad bit because is a bit much. The only product that I will be using is the My Sticky Little Secret melting spray. So this product is by me and I will list it in the description box down below. Right now we actually have a sale going on, so if you get the bundle you get 1 free melting spray if you get the bundle. So all that info will be in the description bar down below. So I'm just going to apply that to the edges of my lace and I'm going to go in with my blow dryer on the cool setting. So this is not a glue, but it will give your wig a seamless and flawless finish, and it will give it a bit of a hold as well. But keep in mind that this is just a melting spray, so it's temporary hold. And I'm going to go ahead and apply the melting band and I'm going to leave this on for about 10 minutes and then voila, child, are you seeing that? She is melted, seamless. Because I'm not using any glue and this is a really quick install, this is pretty much it as far as the install goes. As you can see, I add a little bit of foundation to the lace to tint it to my skin tone. So now I'm going to go ahead and actually do a deep side part today. I'm not going to do a center part. Usually with closure wigs I'm doing center part, but because there's so much parting room on this, I wanted to see what it would look like with a side part. And again, I don't usually do side parts when it comes to closures. I never do, but this one is a 7x5, so it allows me to do that. So now I'm going to cut little layers in the wigs, nothing too crazy. I'm just using my razor to do this. I didn't want to cut this wig too much. This length is about 24 inches. I forgot to mention that, and it is a HD lace, so it's very seamless and it melts down easily. I personally love HD lace because it just looks a bit more realistic and it's easier to melt. So I'm just gonna go in with the hot comb just to like flatten down that hair. When it comes to wigs and you change the parting, you literally have to like, what's the word I'm looking for? You have to train that wig so that way you're able to wear it in a side part if you want to. So now as for baby hairs, I'm not going to do too much, but I just wanted a little bit at the side. So I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my scissors, my cuticle scissors, and just cut them. And then I'm going to go in with my little flat iron and just curl that upwards, and then I'm going to cut it a bit more because I felt like it was a bit much for me. So I'm going to go in with my edge brush and just do a little swoop a little swoop, and this is how it is looking. So this is what the hair looks like. You guys can see how long it is on me. I'm about 5'5.5", so it goes down to my waist. It's pretty long. So yeah, this is pretty much how the hair is looking straight. And I'm going to drop some curls on it just so you guys can see how it looks. I'll be honest with you, I did not use any hairspray, but I think if I use some hairspray and I actually put a little bit more effort into the curls, I would get some more tighter curls and volume. But I kind of want to keep the hair straight. But yeah, this is how it's looking. This is a close-up of the hairline. I love the fact that this did not require a lot of work. And if you are new to wig and you are a beginner, I definitely recommend trying a closure first, because honestly, these closures are really looking amazing. Like, they're almost looking like frontals these days, so I'm here for that. So yeah, if you're new to wigs, definitely check out the closures, the glueless wigs first before you get into the frontals. But yeah, this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Thumbs up if you enjoy and you learned something, and I will see you guys in another video very soon.